Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain you about simple present tense and the usage. Well, simple present tense is used to express habitual action and then general truth and so on and so forth. So in this case, we are using simple present tense in a short story. The subject is single person. Well, in simple present tense, we use verb 1 for I, you, we, and they. But if the subject is single person or single third person, like he, she, or it, we use verb 1 plus s or es after the subject. Well, in the following story, we use the single person as subject. So the verb should be verb 1 plus s or es, subject plus verb 1 plus s or es. Now, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and try to memorize, because we are using the newest system of English teaching method. So, after the story, I'm going to ask you some questions about it. And you should have partners to practice your English, to reproduce your conversation. Well, after the story, you should be able to reproduce your conversation. Now listen to me carefully and repeat. Sally Jones is 5 years old. Sally Jones is 5 years old. She goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. She paints pictures and brings them home. She paints pictures and brings them home. She shows the pictures to her mother. She shows the picture to her mother. Her mother doesn't understand them. Her mother doesn't understand them. Alright? Do you still remember the story? Now please answer my questions. Question number 1. Is Sally Jones 6 years old? Is Sally Jones 6 years old? The next question. How old is Sally Jones? How old is Sally Jones? The next, please. Does she go to school every day? Does she go to school every day? The next question. Does she paint pictures? Does she paint pictures? The next question. Does she bring the pictures home? Does she bring the pictures home? The next question, please. Does she show the pictures to her mother? Does she show the pictures to her mother? Does her mother understand the pictures? Does her mother understand the pictures? Alright, it's simple story and a simple question, right? Well, you should try to make conversation or reproduce conversation with your friends, so you should have partners to improve your speaking English. Well, because we are using the newest system of teaching method. Okay? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.